Hello Chosen Ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Froblin Goo in Witchspire. When you're first starting out, one of the most important materials you'll need for upgrading your hearth is Froblin Goo. If you look at the map, my hearth is currently placed near the location of the first abandoned hearth you'll encounter in the game. Just northwest of this area, you'll find a Froblin camp, which is where we'll be gathering the material. If you're still early in your playthrough, you can make the trip on foot without much trouble. Since I already have access to a broom, I'll be flying there to speed things up. Once you arrive at the camp, you'll find several Froblins roaming around the area. Defeat them to collect Froblin Goo, which they drop upon being eliminated. After clearing the enemies outside, head into the cave within the camp, where you'll find additional Froblins waiting inside. This gives you another opportunity to stock up on the resource if you need more. Because Froblin Goo is required for hearth upgrades and other progression-related crafting, it's worth taking the time to gather as much of it as possible while you're here. Having a healthy supply on hand can save you from making extra trips later in the game, and that's about it on how to get Froblin Goo in Witchspire.